All right, guys, now that you've done day 1, 2, and 3 and kind of seen some patterns of how the weather has moved, and notice that the warm fronts kept moving in one direction and the cold fronts kept moving in another direction, I want you to predict what the day 4 map would look like. Okay, so using day 1, day 2, and day 3, those maps, I want you to come to day 4 and make a prediction. Now, do I expect your prediction to be perfectly spot on? No, but I expect you to be pretty close on some things. So all you have to do is grab what picture. So let's look up here at just the warm fronts. On day 2, the warm front was in Sacramento. I'm going to focus on that one, okay? Close to Sacramento, the high was behind it and in front of it. Day 3, the warm front was just past Sacramento, in between Sacramento and Helena. So I think on day 4, the warm front, one of them, should be pretty close to Helena. Now, I couldn't figure out how to make the background of these images I snipped clear, so just cover up the names of the city as you put it on there, okay? And then I'm going to predict that a nice sunny day is happening in Sacramento because I think that we usually have some sun after warm fronts. Okay, so just kind of do that and grab them. I've put all of the symbols over here that you would need for this prediction. You won't need any more symbols than are on here. So you just need to move. I moved 2 of them, move the rest of the 11 symbols that you see on here. Now, if you're like me, you want to know if you were right. I don't want you to change anything. Okay, I want to see what you came up with. I'm not going to grade you harshly on this. I just want to see what you came up with, okay? If you're like me, though, and you want to know how well you did, slide number 18. If you click on this text box and move it, the real day 4, like what it would actually be, is underneath this text box. So you could move that text box out of the way and see how you did for your predictions on day 4. I hope you've had fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.